Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, January 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, January 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 6, 2024, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, January 6, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 11 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 605 million pesos for January 6, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, January 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.